ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. So we're going thrifting.
There might be in there.
What?
I found my Barbie.
You found your Barbie. So we're at this antique mall place. Come over here, Jared. Show me. Oh, it's so adorable. So adorable, Journey. You could. She said, look at the birds up there, Sterling. What a dress.
I love her. Mama. Mini brand. Mini brand.
You found mini brand. I like that box. Look how cute. Wait till I show your dad what I found. I was looking for one of these. We were just talking about it the other night in bed. Somewhere else. Those cats are still meowing. You see anything wonderful you need? Oh my gosh, what is that? I need it.
Isn't there a whole other side?
I don't know. I hope so. I gotta pay too. Oh my gosh, what the heck? It's a little scary. A little bit spooky. Is that the look you're looking for? Or more vintage? Bugs Bunny. There's one time I was babysitting for a Bugs Bunny. That's my little brother when he was trying to tell a scary story. And we were telling scary stories and his involved Bugs Bunny. It was funny. Oh, actually. That's Big Bird.
Look at that.
My gosh.
Look at those shoes. I'm petting. I'm petting.
Can I have it? How much is it? It says layaway. Heavy item. Look at the horse.
Where was I? I couldn't see the horse.
It was on the other side of the road. Well, there's one right there. You see that one? This looks like a town that they would film a Hallmark movie in.
They did, didn't they?
Did they?
Yeah, that's why they had to have the whatchamacallits up here. What does Stacey Marvin do? The Shriner thing? And it was a Christmas parade. It was either here or Saluda. And I don't know if the movie ever come out. I don't.
Another horse. They got a lot of horses here.
What a horse! It was a bee.
Wait, Mom.
What?
This is Trump.
Somewhere like
I want to go to
Australia,
Saluda.
where Australia has a lot of horses in it.
Australia?
Uh-huh.
I didn't know that.
See, I'm really good.
You are really good.
Look up that place.
We're gonna eat at the Waffle House.
On
We came back here. We got about 30 minutes before they close.
it.
Oh, I like that little shelf with the birds.
The bell is calling.
Oh my gosh. What? I don't know where her cat toy is. Hi guys, so we're back and I'm gonna show you guys what I got at the antique and then the thrift store just now. So this is what I bought at the antique store. I think this was like $7 or $8. I don't remember, but of course it's got chicken wire and chickens on it, so I wanted it. It's for wine bottles, but my idea was I can put rolling pins in it, but I just had another idea. Hold on. Look. We've got blue raspberry, we've got orange, we got lime, we got all the flavors of this syrups. Uncle Brian bought them for Sterling, but we put them in there. I don't know, I just wanted it. It's got chickens on it. Yeah. And I got this. This was $7. And I've been wanting one of these, so I've been wanting one for a while. And then of course there was two of them. There was another one I found that was pretty dinged up. I think this one was like $12. And then yes, we did buy pine cones. You know why? Because we cannot find pine cones around here, and we need it for a craft for school where we put the peanut butter and roll it in seeds and hang it from the tree, just as PD Peacock did. So we finished with PD Peacock, but we are gonna go back and do this craft on Monday, and then I don't know what I'll do with the rest of the pine cones. We'll see. And then at the thrift store, I love this thrift store. It is my favorite. I bought this. Oh, where did the rest of her go? So this was, I think, $2 or $3. I don't remember. Rooster. It's a salt shaker. There it is. I was like, where's the? And then I bought. Oh, sorry guys. This, because I love it. There's two of them. It's got cats and bunnies and chickens.
This for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.